So this is a continuation of techniques of integration. We have looked at number 1, identifying a function and a derivative. We have looked at number 2, odd powers, and now of sine x and cos x, and now this is even powers of sine x and cos x. You might want to go and check out those videos. I'll be putting the links. For those videos in the description of this video. So here, because you need that information to understand what we are doing. So here we look at the sine power 4 of x. You can also try with the cos power 4 of x. It's very important for us to recall the expansion for the cos 2x. Important for us to record the expansion of cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine square x. It's just that it is cos square x minus sine square x. But you can use Pythagoras' theorem to remove cos square and get that. You can use Pythagoras' theorem to remove sine square and get that. So that's what I would expect. Now, sine to the power 4 of x is sine square x squared. So this will be integral of the sine squared of x squared dx. So we shall get the sine square x, make it a subject in this expression. So you can try it 1 minus cos 2x all over 2 squared. So that should give you something very simple. You should have a quarter, and then you have 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos 2x squared. Exactly. So the other thing, what the next step will be, this cos 2x squared can bring us to another power bigger than 2, the double of 2, which is 4. It can take us to the cos 4x, which would be 2 cos squared 2x minus 1. So you make cos squared 2x the subject and see where it takes you. So cos square of 2x is 1 plus cos 4x over 2. Just make it a subject. 1 plus cos 4x over 2, that's 1. So you multiply by, factorize a half. Factorize a half so that it comes here to make an eighth. You have a 2 here. 2 plus 1 is the 3. You have a 4 there. And then cos 4x. So you can, integrating there is pretty easy. Integrate cos, get sine, and then divide by the derivative of the angle that we have. Integrate cos, get sine, and then divide by the derivative of the angle that we have to get something like this. So 3x over 8 minus 4 over 8 sine 2x over 2 derivative of the angle plus 1 over 8 cos, sine, but we're integrating, sine 4x over 4. So you should have 3x over 8 minus a quarter sine 2x plus 1 over 32 sine 4x plus a constant. Tomorrow we are uploading videos to do with change of variable. Most of you were asking about change of variable. You want to do these numbers, the same numbers we're using change of variable. It's okay. We first have to identify the function before we go to change variables. So those are videos for tomorrow. In the meantime, you can look out for exercise 1A, numbers from 1 up to around number 11. 1 up to number 11. I wish you luck.